ask me, Chris, why would you spend $35,000 on a gym? Why don't you just go to a regular gym and pay $50 a month? It actually costs me, I lose almost $250,000 per year, if not more, by going to a regular gym and paying $50 a month rather than pay $35,000 for a gym. Let me do a little math for you on here. I wrote it down because I'm not that good at math on this end of it. So on average, when I was going to the gym, it would take me half an hour to travel there and a half an hour back. That's 1 hour of travel time total. Let's say you go to the gym 5 days a week. That's 5 hours a week just traveling on that. That comes out to 260 hours per year that I'm just traveling to and from the gym. If I'm like a typical person going 5 days a week, it takes me 30 minutes there and back, okay? So that's 260 hours per year that I'm saving. You gotta be thinking, how much am I worth per hour? Am I worth $10 per hour, 100, or $1,000 an hour? Most of you out there, if you're entrepreneurs, if you're starting your business, if you're in business for yourself, you're worth at least $500 or $1,000 or more per hour. So keep that in mind. The other way that I save time is because in this gym here, I don't have to wait in line for anybody. So my workouts are quicker. I would say I save at least an additional 20 minutes per workout because I don't have to wait in line for anything. I don't have to check in. I don't have a locker. I got none of that going on at the end of it. That extra 20 minutes saving per workout under the same scenario comes out to 86 hours per year saved. So here's the sum of it. By spending $35,000 on a private gym, I save 346 hours, okay? Now, if I'm worth $1,000 per hour, I just saved myself $346,000 versus paying $50 per month for a gym, and now I've lost 346 hours. Alrighty, so look, your most valuable asset, right, is your time. It's not a commodity. It's not something we ever get more of on this end of it. So this is one way that I value and use my most valuable asset, which is my time. By investing in here, I've made myself at least $300,000. If I continue to go to the gym and pay $50 a month, I would have lost at least $350,000. I would recommend you start looking at your life, looking at your workout and your time as a valuable asset, and this is just one way that you can do that.